Good evening, all of you. Here we are attending the Faculty Development Program organized by Sanatana Dharma College, Ambala Cantonment. First of all, I'll thank all the teachers and resource persons who are fabulously and very interestingly teaching us the e-content development tools and techniques to many of us. This faculty development program has given us a lot of information which we have not learned before, or the information which we are learning here is in-depth knowledge. So for giving us such kind of knowledge very precisely, patiently and thoroughly to the students like us is a very appreciable thing. So I first of all thank all of you for giving us opportunity to attend this workshop. Thank you.